Hello, welcome back to the GIS Pathway YouTube channel. It's been quite a few years since I've actually posted on here, about 9 or 10 to be exact. A long time ago, back in the day when I was actually posting videos on tutorials for using the ArcMap software back in, I guess, 10.0. Actually, I may have had some 9 point something, 9.x software in there as well. And since that time, in 10 years, a lot has changed. Esri has moved to ArcGIS Pro, which is a very powerful program if you haven't used it. A lot of opportunities there, and tools and functionality as well. Of course, I believe now we're at 10.6, and I believe the ArcMap 10.8, I believe, somewhere around there, is soon to hit its final release, and of course it'll still be around a little bit longer, and then of course a lot of people are shifting to Pro. But if you've watched any of my videos over the past few years, when I originally started posting, of course those things were created back on my old PC. There wasn't a lot of high quality videos, a lot of high quality sound. I know that was one of my top negative comments, was how the sound or our video was horrible, and I agreed. Of course, like I said, it was over 10 years ago since I've created that. So hopefully these videos produce a little better quality content. I'm not sure quite what I'm going to do with this channel. It's definitely going to stick around GIS, stick around the ArcGIS platform, and be posting a lot of different things with that. There's a lot of different tools and functionalities and applications, I think, that can be used with that. I'd love to hear your comments if you want to drop them below. What would you like to see? Would you just like to see more tutorials? Would you like to see some tips and tricks on career advice? I don't know what it is. Maybe you want some basic core concepts when it comes to GIS, not specific to software. I'm open to kind of anything, and I'd love to share my knowledge that I've acquired over the past many years that I've been in the GIS industry in there. But if you're new to this channel and you're not subscribed, I'm going to say, hey, go and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join so you can be notified of any videos that I post. And hopefully that I can create the content that'll help you as you continue on your journey of GIS. Until my next video, we'll see you later.